officials from National Sample Survey Office and officials from CSC. I cordially welcome all of you for this one-day training cum discussion program on 7th Economic Census, which is a state-level training of trainers. I welcome you, all of you, on behalf of MOSPI. This Indian Economic Census is the census of the Indian economy through counting all entrepreneurial activities which are carried out in agricultural and non-agricultural fields, and of use of this economic census is to bring out the reports or outcomes on various aspects like number of establishments, how many workforce is involved in these establishments, and what kind of output are there, or like the source of finance from which institutions these establishments are getting loan or financial help. Such kind of aspects can be drawn after completion of this economic census.
हम अभी आज जो यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं वो 7th इकोनॉमिक सेंसस का ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए आए हैं, जो एक पूरे भारतवर्ष में पहली बार डिजिटाइज फॉर्मेट में हो रहा है। इससे पहले जो भी जितने भी इकोनॉमिक सेंसस हुए जो सुजीत सर ने जिक्र किए वो मैन्युअल हुए, तो इस बार पहली बार हम डिजिटाइज फॉर्मेट में ये इकोनॉमिक सेंसस कर रहे हैं। तो ये इकोनॉमिक सेंसस की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की जो पूरी जिम्मेदारी है वो CSC पे ऊपर है। CSC इज अ स्पेशल पर्पस व्हीकल जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, जो MeitY गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, इसके नीचे हम यहाँ पे काम करते हैं।
This is the 7th economic census, and Mr. Sweet has already briefed you about the background of the economic census conducted in the past. So we have already conducted the 6th economic census. Now this one is the 7th. This 7th economic census is different from the all others. In the view of we are going to use the extensive.
My colleagues, the dignitaries, very Assistant Director Mr. Pujari, and also what Deputy Director of MOSPI has explained. First of all, we should aware the importance of economic census. Economic census is a census which captures entire economic activities which are going to be taking place within the core boundaries of the state. That is very, very important. This result, economic result, plays a very, very important role in policy and decision making, and also taking economic measures for the development of the country as well as the state. The data which you are collecting by each and enumerator, every enumerator, plays very, very important role in the policy making purpose. Each and every figure plays very, very important role. And if you see, this is the 7th economic census. The first census was conducted in 1977, followed by 1980, 1990, 1998, 2005, 2013. As far as concerned the state of Goa, the census of last census was conducted between July to September 2012. And in Goa, there are 2.86 people engaged in 0.98 lakhs of enterprises, of which 33% of the enterprises are located in the rural areas and 67% approximately in urban areas. To supervise thoroughly in improving the quality and also completion of the framework of the allotted areas. There should not be any duplication or any omission. And also, I hope that this training will give a fruitful information and make you confident to train your investigators and supervisors for smooth conduct of the 7th census, economic census.